Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the RealPlus Metal Floating Shelf, a sleek and sturdy wall-mounted solution perfect for organizing your space. Measuring 6.5 by 6.2 inches, these shelves are compact yet strong enough to hold books, decor, or kitchen essentials. Their modern black finish adds a stylish touch to any room, whether it's a kid's room, office, study, or kitchen. Installation is simple, allowing you to quickly create extra storage without bulky furniture. These shelves come in a pack of 6, giving you plenty of options to customize your wall display. They're ideal for keeping your area neat while adding a decorative element. Upgrade your space with these versatile and durable floating shelves today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.